Hey guys, what? It's that cheese dude here, and welcome to another Roblox video. Today, again, we have chosen epic minigames. You guys remember this game, right? Yes, it was insane. Alright. And yes, I have changed my tone to a more aggressive tone. I don't know why. Oh, gotta turn my device. I gotta turn my device on this one. That'll be easy. Super easy. I've done this one millions of times. Super easy. It's super, super easy. Never mind. It's not that easy. Oh my god. Get away!
Bruh.
Finally. Alright, gotta not get hit by that weird spike ball. Gotta jump over that. We gotta not die. Gotta avoid these columns. We gotta avoid these more spike balls. Get out of the way, you annoying piece of trash. We're going through this. What are you doing, you absolutely skinny man? You must be very, very tired of exercising so much. Alright, we're going pretty well. Yeah! Yeah, we made it to the top, boys. Alright, that was a clean finish. Super easy, and now I am looking at my face and I look weird. Hello. I was staring to your soul right now. Okay, gone. Goodbye. Anyway, guys. What's up? And we're back here with Epic Minigames. Today, it's another regular Epic Minigames episode. We're gonna be changing games after 2 more minigames, and then we'll be playing Flood Escape. Alright, so it's kind of a mix today. Alright, let's try not to die on this one. Alright, we gotta avoid this one. Yeah. Alright, gotta avoid that one. Yeah, we could just get over here. Look. Yeah! Yeah! Oh, wow! Again, in the exact same spot, and I did not die. Never mind, I might die. Of course not! I am the master of this game, and I never die! Oh man, it's the one from the back.
Bruh.
Almost everyone died. That is so funny. Oh man. Alright though. Oh man, I was about to die. Wait, these two are blocked. I told you guys I was a master of this game mode. None of you probably believe me. And we're back here in the lobby. One more mini game and we go ahead and go to Flood Escape. Alright, this game is going to be Destroy the Statue. I played this one millions of times, and guess what? I have what? No, I've lost because I keep getting trashy teammates. But this time, I won't let that happen. Oh wait, this is a different one. Oh yeah, I like this one. This one is better. Yeah. Yeah. Bruh. Oh no. That was just, I wasn't ready for that part. Let's ignore that. Alright, let's get to the other side and destroy them. Let's get these cannons fired up and ready to go. Oh yeah, I got it. Oh yeah, I got him. Get him. Get him. Get him, I'll go. Yeah, you stay there. I'ma go take on him. Strategizing and curve. Oh yeah, I told you guys, I was the master. I am the master. Okay, I died, but you guys really are bad at this game because I won easily. Oh my god, 372 damage to 0. Wow. That other team was doing trash. Alright, I'll be right back, guys. In Flood Escape. Peace out. Alright guys, I'm back. I had to stop the recording because it took a while. I didn't want to waste that much space. Anyway, looks like the game is starting and I'm in easy mode. Because as I told you, I am great at this game. It's just that I just want to show you how to play this game. I'm definitely not trash at the game. Definitely not trash at the game. This game is super easy. This is not hard. See? This guy is simple. Simple mood. Wow. Nice name, dude. Alright, we made it past that one. And now let's wait. Oh my god, stop with that noise. Alright, everyone's in. Not really. Get in, you fool. Alright, let's get in. Let's jump. And let's get that one. Let's get that one too. Oh my god, that was so easy. Yeah, very. Get up! Get up! Oh my god, I'm gonna die. No. Good thing this isn't a challenge. Oh my god. How did you die? That was like such a short jump, and I'm pretty sure you had a gravity coil. Oh my god, that is so embarrassing. Alright, let's get to this one. I'm staying at this one. Yeah, open it! Yeah, get in! Yeah, press the button. Yeah, alright. Go! Go, you fools! Go, I'll press the button. I press the button. Oh, no! You! I thought that guy was cool and he knocks me off. Oh, man. Oh, that was so good. I was gonna win. I was gonna show you guys the way to win. Alright, guys. That's gonna be it for today's video. And as always, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to smash the subscribe button. Well, I mean, it's the opposite. Make sure to smash the like button and leave a subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, I'll see you dudes next time. Peace out.
Alright guys, goodbye. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to join my Discord server and send me a Roblox request. Anyway, stay cheesy and I will see you next time.